global companies continue to expand in Costa Rica. Welcome back to the channel. This is Sharma Roussel in Grecia, sharing information about moving to Costa Rica and living in Costa Rica. So if I were thinking about relocating abroad, retiring to a foreign country, I would want to know about the economic stability of that country. So here in Costa Rica, a German manufacturing company, Freudenberg Medical, just announced that it will expand its second production facility near me in Alajuela. So Freudenberg Medical will be investing $25 million in addition to what it already has invested here in Costa Rica for the manufacture of catheters and other medical devices. Now, the CEO of that company said this in a news release: Costa Rica has become a cornerstone of our global operations. Now, currently, Freudenberg Medical has about 350 employees in Costa Rica, and it will be expanding that to 900 employees over the next 3 years. And then in 3 years, it plans to double its facilities here in Costa Rica. Now, Freudenberg Medical is not the only manufacturer from the United States or other places around the world that is expanding its operations in Costa Rica. Recently, Boston Scientific, a manufacturing company from Massachusetts, announced that it also would be opening a new global hub in Costa Rica. Now, a lot of these companies are related to the manufacture of medical devices, which is the #1 export from Costa Rica to the United States and other places around the world. If you have additional information, please put it in the comments section. Pura Vida, ciao.